Indian Council of Agricultural Research, that is ICAR, has developed an anti-methanogenic feed supplement which is also called as Harit Dhara. Now this Harit Dhara can cut down cattle methane emission by 17 to 20% and can also result in higher milk production. Now if we see the methane production in cattle, so how it is produced in cattle. So when animal eat plant material, cellulose, fiber, starch and sugar, these get fermented or broken down by microorganism prior to further digestion and nutrient absorption. Now this carbohydrate fermentation leads to production of carbon dioxide and hydrogen. These are used by the microbes present in the stomach to produce methane. So in this way methane is produced. Now if you see methane emission from cattle, so the main source are cattle, buffaloes, sheep and goats in India, which emit an estimated 9.25 million tons to 14.2 million tons of methane annually, out of a global total of 90 million tons from livestock. Being largely fed on agricultural residues like wheat, paddy straw, maize, sorghum, bajra, ruminants in India tend to produce 50 to 100% higher methane than their industrialized country counterparts that are given more easily fermentable or digestible concentrates, or you can say green fodder. Methane's global warming potential, if you see, is 25 times of carbon dioxide over 100 years, make it a more potent greenhouse gas. Now how this Harit Dhara will work? Harit Dhara decreases the population of protozoa microbes which are responsible for methane production in the stomach and making it available to the archaea for the reduction of CO2 to methane. So basically role of your bacteria or protozoa will get reduced. It has been made from tannin rich plant based sources. Tropical plants containing tannins, that is a bitter and astringent chemical compound, are known to suppress or remove protozoa from the stomach. Fermentation after using Harit Dhara will help produce more propionic acid, which provides more energy for lactose production and body weight gain. So this is also helpful for the economic, if you see economic benefits for the farmer. So as you know that methane emission is one of the concern at world level. So this Harit Dhara is one of the solution for your methane emission reduction. So it is expected that a question can be asked in prelims from this Harit Dhara.